10 common paint production mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Starting your paint production journey can be exciting, but mistakes can cost your time, money, and customers. In today's video, I'll show you the 10 most common paint production mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them. Watch until the end because mistake number one could completely ruin your paint business. Number 10, skipping accurate measurements. So, guessing measurement leads to inconsistent paint quality. Use a digital scale and follow standardized formula price list. That is to say, do not just imagine how to produce a paint without following the procedure, right full measurement, and taking accurate measurement of each of these chemicals. Number 9, using poor quality chemicals. Cheap materials result in low quality paint. That does not sell, you understand? So you have to try as possible to make sure you avoid cheap chemicals. Invest in trusted suppliers and test raw materials before production. You can do all of these. So don't always change your chemical seller. When you get a good one, stick to them and always test your chemicals. Number 8, not understanding pigment ratio. Yes, a lot of us tend to skip this part. Whenever we want to produce paint, especially those oxide, we tend not to take the proper measurement. So too much or too little pigment creates ununiform colors. Learn proper pigment to binder ratio for consist results. You heard me. Learn proper pigment to binder ratio for consist results. That is to say, to get a unique result. Number 7 is improper mixing technique. A lot of paint manufacturers tended not to mix the paint very well. At times, you hear them say because they're using machines, so when you spin, they are good to go. No. Paint separates or clumps if not mixed properly. You understand? So when you do not mix your paint properly, that is when you get this paint separation and clumsiness in the paint containers. So use the right equipment like a paddle mixer and mix it at the correct speed. If you're not using a paddle mixer, you're using your hand mixing machine, make sure you mix for the proper minutes or seconds. 6, ignoring quality control tests. Paint fails to meet standard for durability, the shining or drying time when you avoid quality control text. Quality control text simply means after you finish painting, you apply some certain amount of this paint on the wall to check the consistency of this paint, if it's drying fast, if it's shining, if it lacks coverage, if it has any defaults. So when you apply this paint on the wall, you'll be able to see how the durability of this paint is. And a lot of paint manufacturers ignore these parts. So test every batch for viscosity, drying time, and coverage before selling your paint. Number 5 is using tap water in production. This is for my country people. You understand? They tend to use any water to produce their paint, and it is very, very bad. You understand? Impurities in tap water can ruin your emulsion paint, your binder's reaction. Yes, a lot of paint manufacturers are not aware that the kind of water you use for your paint production affect your binders. You understand? So always use clean water for consistent results. That is for good results, please. Number four is poor packaging choice. You understand? So the weakened or leaking containers damage your brand reputation when the containers are not well sealed or they are leaking, whereby your paint is leaking. You understand? Damage your brand reputation. So invest in tamproof packaging that looks professional, please. Make sure your packaging stands out very well. Number three is lack of branding and label. I see a lot of paint manufacturers, they just produce the paint and they supply it to their customers, especially those that they feel they are not selling into the market. Do not say because you are not giving out your paints to a retailer to sell for you in the shops, that is why you don't need to brand or label your product. No, when you don't brand or label your product, it's as good as you don't have a product. And that is why most of you are being priced lesser. And you ask yourself, why do you keep getting denial of contracts? Because you don't have a brand and you don't have a label. You understand? So customer don't trust unbranded products. They tend to say that you are not professional or you're not going to deliver well. You understand? So create a logo, clear label, and include application instruction on every containers. Number two is neglecting customer feedback. You can overemphasize on this. I keep saying it. If you've been following most of my videos, you hear me always talk about neglecting customer feedback. It's very bad. When you don't neglect your customers' feedback, that is what's going to make you grow. Because any complaint your customer gives to you, that is what you're going to use to make sure your paint becomes durable. You understand? So don't feel bad when your customer complains. You understand? So unhappy customer don't return and you miss opportunity to improve. You understand? So each unhappy customer is a sign that you are getting advanced. You understand? So collect feedbacks, respond promptly, that's quickly, and refine your process. You understand? So always try to make sure you respond to your customer feedback and solve the problem. You understand? So number one is not investing in training. Yes, a lot of you, I see you, you come into my DM or you reach out to other coach that teaches in paint production, and then you tend to just want to get the knowledge. If most of us did not invest in training, we will not be a better coach. This knowledge did not just fall from sky. You understand? So I have to be honest with you. You need to look for a way on how to come in terms and understanding to be able to get your coach to teach you properly. You understand, please? So don't always make the mistake to boycott this training, because if those of these coaches do not get this knowledge the way they got the knowledge, they will not pass it out to you. And they didn't get it for free. You understand? And even if they got some of this knowledge for free, at least they invested in learning more. You understand? So lack of knowledge leads to avoidable errors. You understand? And missed opportunities. So you have to take courses like the one that I offer, or any other courses you come in contact online. You understand? Please, you understand? To learn, so you can be able to learn proven production techniques. It's very, very necessary. You understand? If you don't get my course, you can get it from other coaches. But please, 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 if you want to be a professional paint manufacturer, you have to invest in training. Invest in training is very, very important. We don't know everything. There are some information that will skyrocket your production process. You understand? So, and there you have it, the top most common mistake in paint production and how to avoid them. Remember, every successful business starts with the right knowledge and attention. You understand? So if you avoid these mistakes, you will set yourself up for success. You understand? So if there's any mistakes that surprise you, you can share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about paint production, you can check my Zero to Hero paint courses in the link. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification so you don't miss any next video on advanced paint formulation. And of course, our free offer. Like I said, anytime a video is being uploaded, it's is live, you'll be able to benefit from that free offer, and it lasts only 1 week. So if you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, whenever we have a free offer, wherever we have a free ebook, whenever we have a free courses, you also benefit from it. That's if you're not our student. But of course, if you're a student, you're already going to benefit from the free courses and the free offers, and even more offers. You understand, that is even paid. So I'll advise you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can also benefit from any of our discount prices courses. And of course, I'll also encourage you to try to take one of our courses, if possible, the complete course in paint manufacturing, so you can become a better paint manufacturer. And now we have a discount promo running, so it's advisable you key into it. You understand? So thanks for watching. Until next time, keep creating, and bye for now.